This magnetic nasal dilator by intake has been a game changer when it comes to not just snoring, but my ability to breathe as I'm sleeping. I've tried the strips, I've tried everything. This is a game changer. These magnets are so strong. Look at how it just pulls my nasal passages apart. It really expands them. The way you can feel the air just whoosh into your system this way, it is truly incredible. Also, just so tiny and easy to carry along with you anywhere. It comes with lots of different sizes, so you'll definitely find the one that fits your nose right. And watch, whoop, out they go.